Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome my dear. My name is Levion and welcome to Extremely Modest. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my spring bedding. I decided to go all linen, baby. So I'll be dressing my bed, giving you some benefits of using linen bedding, and hopefully at the end of this video, you'll click off with some inspiration to dress your bed for the warmer months ahead. So if this sounds good to you, please keep on watching. So we recently purchased a mattress topper. Costco had them for a pretty good price and your girl just jumped on it. Our mattress is pretty new. Shout outs to Evenco. They were so kind and gifted your girl this mattress, but we needed a little more firmness on our bed. So a mattress topper, for anyone who is unfamiliar, is used to noticeably enhance a mattress feel and provide extra pressure relief. A mattress topper can lengthen the life of an older mattress, and it can even make your bed feel a little bit more plush. But if your mattress is a bit older and possibly just worn, I suggest just investing in a whole new mattress. So the mattress topper read to give it at least 72 hours for it to fully expand. We've been sleeping on the topper for about a week now, and it's definitely a life changer. I feel like I get a better and restful night's sleep, and it definitely makes our bed feel a bit more plush. Now I'm moving on to my bedding. I've decided to go with linen sheets. Ever since I purchased my linen duvet, I've been pretty obsessed with like the whole linen look. So for spring and summer, I wanted to go for a more relaxed look. I didn't want to worry about like steaming out my wrinkles and having that prim and proper look, but I did want to go with a look that would still speak like luxury and comfortable. I also wanted to go with another color other than white. Y'all know I absolutely love my white sheets. It does give that luxury hotel vibe. But this like gray linen set though, it was just giving me like natural luxury earthy vibes. And also gray is my favorite color, so it was just a win-win for me. This set does come in a lot of different colors, including white. So if white is still your jazz, but you want to go ahead and try out the linen sheets, you are in luck. Linen bedding is one of the best fabrics. It keeps you warm on those colder nights and cool on those warmer nights. The looser weave creates warmth without trapping in moisture. Another good thing about linen bedding is that it just gets softer and softer after washing, and the durability won't be lost. I always recommend washing your sheets before dressing your bed. I used a little bit extra fabric softener with these, and I just feel like it made them a little softer. And then when drying, I did dry them on a low heat. You may can tell I was having a harder time actually tucking the sheets. I think with me having the topper on the bed, it just made the sheets a little shorter to actually go underneath the mattress. Not super annoying in my opinion, but maybe the next time I purchase new bedding, I'll consider just sizing up to a king size. So I'm using the same duvet cover that I've had on my bed for a while. It's been like a year that I've been using this same duvet cover, and all good reviews. At one point though, I was thinking like it was looking a little replaceable, but I really just placed it in the washing machine and it just came out looking brand new again. I also am using the same duvet insert. I did purchase a new one about 3 months ago, and that's only because I wanted to kind of get like a better quality duvet insert. But other than that, everything is still the same. I just had purchased new sheets. This linen quilt I'm actually bringing out too. I had this for about a year, and I'm just going to place it on top of the cover at the end of the bed. The sheets are actually pretty thick, so we haven't really needed to use any extra layering on my bed, but you guys know I love layering the bed, so I just place it on there just in case we may need it for a colder night. folded the cover about at the middle of the bed and kind of tucked the quilt underneath. I did this to create a little height and fluff on the bed. And I'm also going to add in a throw. I love adding throws because it just adds in extra textures, layers, and also comfort on your bed. I'm using these same linen pillowcases that I've had for also a while now too. They've held up really well. I bleached them and they just really come back looking like new. And then I'm also just going to add in a few decorative pillows. I went for a more like muted, simple look with the white and gray. Even though everything was linen, I did want to add in like some personality with like the different textures and different colors of gray. Alright, my lovelies, I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I also hope that you were able to find some helpful tips on linen sheets, and just in case you were like thinking about purchasing, or now you may want to switch over and give linen a try. And I also hope that you were able to find some inspiration to style your bed as you may see fit in your own home. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below in the comments section, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my Extremely Modest YouTube family. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.